Wind parks are one of the most popular sources of clean, renewable energy worldwide, powering communities up to hundreds of thousands of homes. At full capacity, a single blade rotation on one wind turbine can generate up to 2 to 3 megawatts, providing enough kilowatts for one house for a full 24 hours. As wind pressure slowly turns the turbine blades, the rotation operates the gearbox, the high-speed output shaft, the electric generator, and the step-up transformer. High voltage from the transformer is then directed through cables to a local substation feeding the local grid. Maintaining the operational demands of a wind park requires a highly skilled workforce of wind technicians. With such a vital role, wind techs must possess meticulous attention to detail and be skilled to ensure the seamless operation of wind turbines, safeguarding the client's investment. Visual inspections and replacement procedures during routine preventative maintenance require very specific know-how, unique to the OEM equipment. Advanced diagnostics and troubleshooting require expertise to ensure proper problem solving during repairs. Wind techs also require outstanding safety training given their unique, demanding, high-risk work environment. Adequate exposure and familiarity to enclosed compartments in proximity to moving mechanical components and high voltages can help prevent serious physical injury and fatalities. Sufficient awareness and understanding of surrounding environments and safety walkthroughs also minimize risks of serious injury from accidents, slips, and falls. VPS brings decades of experience in designing modern solutions for today's learner. 3D graphics with digital technologies such as interactive videos, virtual reality, and augmented reality can supplement hands-on practice exercises so that technicians can upskill quickly in a safe environment. VPS is Technical Training Solutions. We bring results.